there, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ron the Cook, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very quick and simple tomato sauce only using a few ingredients. This sauce is perfect for those busy weeknights where you don't have a lot of time to cook. It takes only 15 minutes and it's one pan. To make this sauce, it's going to be real simple. Let's start. Alright, we're going to start our pan on a medium-high heat. We're going to start with 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil. For the first-time viewers, I use grapeseed oil for this kind of cooking because it is a high smoke point and has almost no flavor to it. It's a nice neutral oil. Let's get our onions in. In our sauce today, the onions are going to take the longest. They take about 5 minutes, right until they become nice and translucent. We're going to hit them with a little bit of salt right now. That'll help with the cooking process and drawing out some of that moisture. I'm using about 2 teaspoons of sea salt. Just drop that right in. Give it a stir. And now, honestly, we just wait. You don't need to do much stirring. Give it a little stir every once in a while, just to make sure they're cooking evenly. Now that our onions have become translucent, we're going to start adding the rest of our ingredients. We're going to start with our dry herbs. We're going to start with some chili flake. I'm using Aleppo. You can use just regular old Italian chili flake or whatever in your cabinet, or omit it completely. 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of our dried basil. Now let's give that a stir. Well, let this cook for another minute, and then we're going to add in a little bit of white wine just to deglaze. Right when you can start to smell your herbs, deglaze. I'm only going to use probably about 2-3 tablespoons. Give that a stir. Now we're going to add our tomatoes. 1 28-ounce can of chopped tomatoes. I'm using San Marzanos. Yes, I said canned tomatoes. I'm using canned tomatoes because fresh tomatoes are not in season. They're not in season all year round. Good tomatoes for sauces and just to eat in general are only good for about 3 to 4 months out of the year. Here in California, we're really lucky. We have them for 4 to 5 months out of the year. And then for 2 to 3 more months, we get some really nice hothouse organics coming out too. But in the end, they're still not as good as that perfect, ripe, late August, early September tomato. All you need to do is find yourself a really good canned tomato. I'm using an organic San Marzano tomato from California. That's it. Now we've added our tomatoes, we're going to add our fresh herbs. I'm just going to use some fresh oregano from my garden. This is Italian oregano. So grab the top, fingers here. Let's zoom in for that. There we go. So we have our oregano. Grab here, just pull gently. There you go. There's all your oregano. Don't throw away your stem. We're going to take this and drop it right into our sauce. This has a lot of flavor. It's not edible because it's too fibrous, but this is going to give off a lot of oregano oils. Make sure you take it out before you serve. Now we're going to give our oregano just a quick chop. Just want to break up the leaves just a little bit and toss it into our sauce. Now into the sauce. Give that a stir. Now it's going to cook for 5 more minutes and your sauce is done. Now I'm going to leave this sauce nice and chunky. Now last but not least, the finishing touch to our sauce. We're going to turn it off. It's already been going for 15 minutes and we're done. The last step is going to take 2 tablespoons of good European butter. Drop that in. Now stir that in. That's going to give a little added fat to our sauce and a nice flavor. Give it a good mouthfeel as well. And that's all it takes. 15 minutes, you have your sauce. Let's give it a taste. Perfect. The right amount of salt. Black pepper gives a little bit of spice. That black pepper kind of heat right in the front of the tongue. The Aleppo is giving you more of that heat back here. That dry basil works perfectly with it. Dry oregano. Now, this is a great sauce for anything. Use this on pizza, on your pastas, maybe a sandwich. The best part about the sauce is it takes 15 minutes. But also, if you want to go the extra step and can it, this will last you a couple months in your fridge. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and in the comments let me know if you made this sauce, what you put it on. Until next time.